Hello, welcome to Easy and Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn AD family words. Let's start. D, add, dad, dad. B, add, bad, b, add, bad. S, add, sad, s, add, sad. L, add, lad, l, add, lad. P, add, pad, p, add, pad. M, add, mad, m, add, mad. Cl, add, clad, cl, add, clad. Repeat after me. Gl, add, glad, gl, add, glad. Add, had, add, had. Great job! You have completed lesson number 4 of AD family words. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class.